This is my fiance's old car. So 2005 Grand Prix GXP with the 5.3 liter V8. And well, as you might be able to hear over the traffic, it's had the mufflers taken off of it. It's a nice car. It's 68,000 miles, 303 horsepower front wheel drive. But we decided to get another high performance Pontiac. She loves her Pontiacs. This is the second Grand Prix she's had, and then the car she has now is a G8 GT. I'll be making a video on that in a little bit. But she had a Grand Prix GTP in 04, supercharged 3.8, which was a fun little car until some dickhead decided to run her off the side of the road on I-12 in Baton Rouge. But let me not talk about that and let my blood pressure go up. But this one's actually for sale. Asking $9,500 for it. It's a gorgeous car. Sounds mean as hell. I'll leave the camera back here and give it a little rev. Anybody email me if they're interested in it. Good car at a good price. It books for over 11.